once you get to lighter stuff, like the stuff I like to use, you need to have a little bit more precision. That's why I always promote working with live baits that use a quarter ounce, half ounce, and if you're in the ocean, 1 ounce or more to get that casting ability. Because you come out here, it's real, and you can be real lost if your bait ends up there. So if you need help on teaching your kid how to fish, I have the Be the Hero course, which helps you, the non-fisherman, take your kid fishing. There's a free course that goes over the very basics if you have some skills yourself, but you just need a little catch me up and some things you forgot, or you haven't done it since you were a kid and now you're like 45 and you want to know. That's what you need to do. But I also have a paid course that's above that. I'll teach you everything you need to do, including how to deal with the children, how to deal with yourself, getting frustrated, and etc. etc. Now, on top of that, I'm just releasing something new called the Ask a Fisherman service. It's a service. This is called Ask a Fisherman, but it's just that. You can ask me, Dwight Norris of fishingnetwork.com, all the questions you want per month. And I'll provide that service for you, and I'll try to help you move along this journey that you need to take, which shouldn't take that long. It should be a very quick thing if you know some stuff, and if you don't know some stuff, then we're gonna progress, but we're gonna get there because everybody gets there if they keep going. So if that's what you want and you need help, please go down to the description below. I'll have a link somewhere down there. You've seen those descriptions with mile-long things. I'll try to keep it intact and nice and tidy and not too much going on. But it's down there somewhere. Just click it.